Getting ungated on Amazon FBA. There's the master key to scaling your business. If you are gated in major brands and categories, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. But here is the dirty secret nobody tells you. Buying units from a wholesaler just to get an invoice can bankrupt you. Most new sellers take a massive, blind loss to get ungated. They buy units and drop prices drastically just to sell out fast. They accidentally lose $500 because they completely miscalculated their logistics. Today, I will show you how to calculate a strategic low-wash strategy so you build trust with Amazon without bleeding cash. When you buy units from a valid distributor like Frontier Co-op to unlock a category, your goal is not a high ROI. Your goal is to establish account history. You want to price these units to move fast. The smartest sellers aim for a deliberate 10 to 15% ROI, or even a flat break-even. You are essentially trading a few dollars to unlock a category that will make you tens of thousands later. It is a business investment, but trying to hit an exact 10% ROI manually is dangerous. If you drop your price blindly, ignoring hidden fees, it fails. Amazon's free calculator gives you basic fees, but it does not map out your entire business operation. You need an offline cockpit to reverse engineer your strategy. This is why we use Amazon US Pro version 3.7. You grab the standard FBA fee and referral fee from Amazon and plug them into the software. Then, you input your specific ghost costs, your prep fees, your inbound shipping, and your polybags. Using our reverse pricing engine, you tell the software, I want exactly a 10% ROI on these ungating units. Instantly, the software calculates backward and gives you the exact listing price you must use. You don't guess. You know the exact penny to list your product at to sell out fast, while keeping your capital perfectly safe. If you are serious about protecting your margins, you need this tool on your desktop. The top 1% of Amazon sellers don't guess. They calculate their exact penny, perfect break-even price. They know the exact dollar amount where their profit hits zero. If the competitor's price goes below that line, the smart seller stops fighting and lets the competitor sell out of stock at a loss. But how do you calculate this instantly, without messy Excel sheets? Enter seller service _world US Pro v3.7. It is a 100% offline, military-grade desktop profit calculator designed specifically for the Amazon US market. You enter your costs once, and the software instantly locks your total expenses, calculates your exact break-even price, and shows your real ROI plus. It is 100% offline, meaning your winning product research stays strictly private and safe from cloud data leaks. But here is the absolute game changer. Ms. Pro v3.7 comes with 2 exclusive smoke gun export features. Instead of manually copying data, you can export your entire product analysis directly to a highly professional, beautifully formatted Microsoft Word report. Need to compare multiple products? Use the second smoke gun feature to export your data straight to Microsoft Excel. In just seconds, you can build a 100-product playbook, completely organized and ready for your business strategy, meetings, or investor pitches. It is the ultimate unfair advantage. Protecting your Amazon account means protecting your margins and playing by the rules. Do not let a simple math mistake cost you your entire business. If you are ready to secure your data, calculate penny-perfect profits, and use the smoke gun export features to build your professional Amazon playbook, check the link in the description to get your lifetime license for Amazon Pro v3.7. Today, make sure to subscribe to Seller Service World for more advanced Amazon strategies, market updates, and tools designed to help you dominate the US, UK, and European marketplaces. Protect your account and keep scaling. The limited promo code PRO50 at checkout to get a massive 50% off.